In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file in Rise of the Tomb Raider. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select Window and select Open with WinRAR. Open this folder and press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Open this GOG Galaxy applications, random numbers, storage, shared files. Here you can able to see the game progress. You must back up before doing this. Copy this file and paste it in desktop. And now open the files. Drag and drop all these 100 files inside of a game progress location. Delete this readme and now launch the game. Once you are in game, select load game, and as you can see 90% complete. You can load this 90% of game complete and we successfully loads the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.